So if I would start a YouTube channel from zero today, I would do two things first. First thing is I would join a video ranking academy, because then you would know how to start, what to look for, and you get clear guidelines how you could set up your channel and what your niche is. And the second point, I would look not for expensive video gear, because that's almost the next question. What should I use? Which camera I should go with? The answer is pretty simple. If you want to invest in some camera gear, then I would go for an action cam. The reason is simply because they're super versatile. Some of the newest models have great full light capabilities, so they might be also great to use as a webcam. And if you'd like to know more insights, tips, then just look in the description below where I have some links. And other than that, I wish you a great day, and hopefully it's nicer than it is here in Zurich, as you can see. And yeah, see you in the next one.